It's clear that society demands fuel to run, but is it a good idea to be reliant on fossil fuels when fossil fuels are killing us and our environment? Atlanta needs to be a stepping stone for change to better our world. We need a switch to biodiesel, and citizens of Atlanta, we need your help. We cannot rely on fossil fuels any longer. Not only are fossil fuels slowly becoming obsolete, but they are also negatively affecting everything. It causes pollution in our water and air, it poses a health risk to us as we breathe it in, and it's changing our climate and affecting our world. This graph by Our World in Data shows that air pollution is the second highest killer around the world, with 8 million deaths in the year 2021 alone.
What is this alternative fuel known as biodiesel? Biodiesel is a renewable biofuel that is produced from the natural resources like vegetable oils, recycled cooking oils, recycled grease, animal fats, and crops. It goes through a process called transesterification, which converts the fats and oils into a mixture of monoalkyl esters of long-chain fatty acids. Specifically, it is designed for the use in diesel engines. Biodiesel is biodegradable and non-toxic to the environment. The goal is to slowly add vehicles that run on biodiesel into the market to reduce pollution.
Why you should want biodiesel to be pushed as the foremost fuel for society is that there are major downsides to most alternatives that biodiesel doesn't possess. Hydrogen is a potential alternative to fossil fuels, but it ignites over 17 times easier than them, so safety concerns makes it undesirable for mass adoption. Additionally, electric vehicles are often championed as an alternative for replacing fossil fuels, but that energy is only as clean as how it is generated. Looking deeper into the electric data, as strain on electrical grids increase from EV adoption, common policy is to compensate with coal burning and similarly polluting methods, making EVs counterproductive even in what are currently relatively green electrical grids.
According to the U.S. Department of Energy, B100 biodiesel reduces carbon dioxide amounts by 74%. The average passenger car emits about 400 grams of carbon dioxide per mile driven, according to the U.S. EPA, of transportation and air quality. So if 400 grams of CO2 per mile gets reduced by 74%, the result would be a total of 104 grams per mile per vehicle. The graph shown is a visual showing how much CO2 can be reduced if 2,500 vehicles switches to B100 biodiesel. Using Georgia DOT traffic counts and traffic report data from 2023, on I-75, just north of I-285, lists an average daily traffic count of 325,000 vehicles. If assuming this number of traffic only drive 1 mile, the CO2 produced would end up being 130 million grams of CO2 versus 33.8 million grams of CO2 if biodiesel is being used as the fuel in these vehicles.
So, citizens of Atlanta, if you want the world to look like this for generations to come, do your part and switch to biodiesel.